Take a look at this video once again. This is what local and state health managers wanted to avoid when restaurants were allowed to reopen Monday night. This was Casa on Mill Avenue, jam-packed with little to no social distancing and no one seen wearing a mask. Well, the mayor of Tempe is taking steps to keep that from happening again.
Yeah, he is now requiring bars and restaurants to have a documented plan for how they're complying with public health guidelines. Carissa Planalp gives us a look.
The folks here at Petal House off of Mill Avenue have been fine-tuning their sanitization operation plan for weeks, and that includes hand sanitizer stations and no more cash from customers.
For the last 19 years, it's been the health department and the liquor board that scared the crap out of us. Now it's a whole nother level of microscope.
Founder Julian Wright opened his dining space today. The reaction, he says, has been mixed.
A few minutes ago, we got yelled at for being open, and other people on the other end of the spectrum are calling us ridiculous for having masks on.
Julian showed me his binder of health and safety protocols. It's also where he records employee temperatures taken when they arrive for work. There's a lot of pressure to follow the rules, Julian says, especially after footage earlier this week showed crowds outside a nearby bar.
What happened the other day is not what I think we all imagined how a reopening would happen.
Tempe Mayor Mark Mitchell was not happy. His emergency proclamation requires bars and restaurants to keep documents outlining how they're following public health guidelines. Businesses must have those papers ready if police have to respond to a complaint.
It's going to be a warning, and when it comes down to the fines, it's going to be at the discretion of our police department.
Tempe police would not say how much it would cost a business owner for repeated violations. The agency pointed me back to the mayor's announcement, which describes the violation as a Class 1 misdemeanor. At Petal House Brewery, Julian hopes preparation pays off for a smooth reopening.
I just hope people realize that we're doing our best.
In Tempe, Carissa Planelp for Arizona's Family.